Hi, my name is Madeline, and I get to show you around my home today. This is the patio area, which is beautifully decorated with plants and art. We have chairs here to relax in when family's over. This is the kitchen where my host mom prepares authentic and delicious Costa Rican food. And this is the dining room area, which is where we watch our television. My host dad watches the news every day, and we relax here and talk when family's over as well. Upstairs, you'll find the master bedroom, a storage room, and a balcony. And this is the bathroom right next door to my bedroom. And this is my bedroom. I have a desk where I can do all my assignments, and I have a storage area to keep all my clothes tidy. Right outside my room is the laundry area where my host mom washes all the clothes and hangs them to dry. Thank you so much for visiting. Pura vida.